Hey guys, welcome to the monthly market update for the month of June from Powers Real Estate. I'm gonna let Aaron kind of speak about the numbers a little bit and kind of take it from there. So go ahead, man.
Awesome. Thank you, David. Of course. Appreciate that. So I am here to tell you that we need your home. We need inventory in the market right now, honestly. The inventory that buyers have to shop from, we need more, honestly. So we did a little math, and I have some numbers for you. So the population in Clark County is about 2.2 million, at least from the data we have and some change. There are about 3.23 members per household in Clark County, which means just over 3 people, 3.25,
or somebody
live in each house, right? So basically, if you do the math, it's about 700,000 like families that live in the valley. On the market right now, we have 4,570 homes, single family condo townhouse. That is not enough to facilitate the people we have looking here that are already living, renting, moving into buying, trading, obviously. And then, the amount of people moving into Las Vegas, that number is going to keep growing. We have people moving here constantly. So I'm here to tell you that if you've had any thoughts of selling your home this year or possibly even next, it's a really good time. We have a really interesting window right now where inventory is still pretty low. And if a home goes on the market and it's priced well and it's nice, we're selling it.
Quickly.
It's not staying. We're finding a buyer for it. And so I'm here to ask you to let us know if you had thought about it at all. We'll give you a market analysis of your home. We'll do it for free. No obligation to you. We'll come look at the house, tell you what it's worth, tell you what we could do with it on the open market, and explain it to you. If you choose not to do it, so be it. That's fine. No cost at all to you. But having the information may benefit you in a big way, because right now we need homes on the market. You walk or drive around the valley, you see how many builders are still building homes. Well, they're pretty safe in building them because we don't have enough inventory of homes that are reselling. Want to remind you, the market you sell in is the market you buy in if you need to do both. If you don't, and you just need to sell, fantastic time to do it. Prices are not going down, relatively speaking. They're pretty stable right now from what we're seeing. So I just want to let you know that as a whole, it's a really good time to think about selling your house. If you have a need, please reach out to us. Let us know. We truly do need inventory. And I'm going to let David tell you a little bit about the buying side right now.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think with the buying side is it's interesting. We went through this little bit of a quick little up and down very quickly. I think the most part, when we were working with buyers a couple months ago, we were able to get seller concessions, be able to help them out and help with that interest rate. Right now, what we're seeing is multiple offers. We're seeing even some coming in and asking to go above appraised value. So, which is kind of interesting. We didn't, the market just took a weird little turn as we knew it. So, I think the biggest thing as far as buyers is, looking at, brand new builds. I think that's the biggest thing. I think right now they're offering incentives, but we don't know when they're going to stop doing that. So I think if we can capitalize on that, that is something that is, helps benefit the buyer in that end. I think another thing is I think everybody right now is kind of waiting for these rates to come down or to become lower. Well, the thing is if you're one of them, imagine how many other people are in that position too as well. So I think if purchasing a home this year or even middle of next year is something that you were interested in doing, I think if we can do it a little bit earlier, set a little bit of a plan and be a more proactive instead of reactive, I think that's kind of the best thing going. So I think once the rates do drop, I think there's going to be a lot of buyers that just come out of the woodwork that have been waiting for it. So
yeah. How would you feel if the interest rate went down a point right now? An entire percentage point? Would you think about buying?
A lot of people, yeah.
So that's the thing is, if that happens, the market is going to be flooded with people who want to buy before that changes again. And if that's the case, all of a sudden, instead of paying a higher rate, you're now going to be competing with 10 other people that want the same house, and you're going to be paying more cash out of pocket. You're going to be paying over appraisal. So it's a really interesting time. And just remember, nothing stays the same. Values, rates, they're all going to fluctuate and change over time. But more than anything, we need inventory because we have the buyers that will buy the houses.
Oh, for sure,
100%.
I think even said if we don't sell another home, I think we have about a month and a half of inventory.
Yeah, so like 5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah. So
on the new builds, like David was talking about, timing is a big factor in that. Some are available right away. Some you have to wait to build. You may want to choose your options. So let us know what your thoughts are on that before we jump into that, because it's not a one size fits all
No.
situation, and the builders are different too. So, but anyways, that is our monthly market update for the month of June. David and Aaron with Powers Real Estate. If you have a real estate need, we'd love to help you. Let us know. See you next time.
Take care, guys.